Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your app icon. So let's get started. So for that, first you need to log into your Salesforce org and you have to go to setup and quick find, and in quick find go to app manager. This is the app manager. Go to app manager and search for the app for which you want to change the icon. So I'm gonna go with the sales app, which is the standard app of Salesforce, and I'm going to change the icon of this app. So this is lightning, as you can see from here. So from here you can check what is the app type, like is it classic or is it lightning. So we have to change it for lightning. So I'll just go on this caret and click on it and click on edit. So once we click on edit, then we are navigated to a builder. The builder which we are getting navigated to is the app builder, and yes, this is lightning app builder which is opened for us, and it is taking some time, but yeah, okay. So this is the image where you can load it. So here you can see the app settings, like all the app details and branding. Here we can change it. So we can change the name of the app, and developer name cannot be changed. So it is just the API name. So we can go to image, and from here we can just clear what is already there, and from here we can upload it. So once we click on upload, then whatever the image you want to choose, you can upload it. So once the image is uploaded, it will show here, and you can click on save. So I think once now we go to sales application, so we should see our icon. I'm not sure why this is slow, but again, it pretty much works. You can go to view all, and from view all you can select your application. As you can see, it is already visible. Go to sales, and here you should see your image. So this is the video, guys, and I hope you liked it. And if you have any suggestions, you can give it in the comment box. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.